Hey Canva users, here's a tip to help create more polished designs. Pay close attention to the alignment of your elements. In many cases, elements are spaced differently inside their boxes. So even if you use the alignment tools, as you can see when I select these two elements and align them at the top, the text doesn't actually line up visually. So I use the rulers and guides function, which are these purple lines, to mark where elements are and make sure that they are actually aligned, especially if I'm working across multiple pages in one project. So to turn on the rulers and guides, go to File, then Settings, then click Show Rulers and Guides and make sure that that is checked. You'll see the rulers on the top and the side of your design. And all you have to do to set a guideline is click and hold on the ruler and start to drag, and a line will show up. And then you can just place it anywhere you need it on your design. So, for instance, I might want a line at the top of this box so I can make sure the box is in the same spot on the other pages. To delete the lines, simply click on them and drag them off the design, and they will disappear when you let go. For vertical lines, again, you can just click on the ruler and start to drag, and same thing applies. So even if I've duplicated a page or copied and pasted an element and I think it's in the right spot, I will always use these lines to double check. So set your lines around all of the elements that you need to align on the later pages, and then go to the next page, and these lines will come along. So I can see that these text elements are in the same place. I can see that the bottom of the box is in the same place as the previous slide. These elements are aligned vertically and so forth. So once all of those are aligned, you go on to the next page. Now, here is where I will point out that I often place lines that mean something different depending on the slide. So in this box, for instance, this slide has only one line of text and the line hits here at the bottom. But on a box with two lines, it hits on the top. So I actually need to go a little further and compare this one to other slides with one line of text and make sure that they're lining up in the same place. One other thing to mention is that sometimes it's hard to get this level of precision with the mouse. So to get more precise movements, I zoom way in, and then I use my keyboard up and down, left, right arrows to get these boxes more perfectly aligned. And you can see how finely the text moves when you're zoomed in and using the keyboard, much more precise. So use the rulers and guides function on your next design to help get those elements as aligned as perfectly as possible, whether it's on a single page or across pages. This type of detail will help create polished professional designs.